Hi, girl.
Hi,
I am Curl. And welcome to Curl's channel. And then we will open Hershey's Bits. Today we will open Hershey's Bits. There, Curl. Open the Hershey's Bits. This one, Curl. Not that one. This one. This one. This one, Curl. This one. This one. Wow, Curl. Let's open it. Wow, yummy. Whoa. Curl, say yummy. Yummy, Curl. Is that yummy? It's yummy, right? Girl, what do you say? It's yummy or not? Now eat it now. Eat it now. Yes, later. Eat it now. Eat. Eat now. No, girl, don't play with it. Eat it now. Jesus will get mad. You will not get ice cream later. Eat it. Bite. Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite, girl. Take a bite. Ew! Punas ka sa towel mo. There. Put the Hershey's down. Eat that now. Eat that now. Bite, bite. Girl, is it yummy or not? 100% or 50%? It's 100%? Wow! Do you like Hershey's? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like Hershey's? No, don't do that. It's dirty. Put it down. Put it down. Yuck. Drink water now. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. Drink water now. What you will say? Is it yummy? Say this. Chocolate is good. But don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. Say it, girl. Don't eat too much. And drink plenty of water. Bye. See you again next time. Bye, guys. See you again next time. Kiss me, girl. Bye.